Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So today we are going to learn about machine learning project which is like how we can classify the images. Okay, suppose if I have three image, like I have tiger image, elephant image and any boy image. Okay, so with the help of our training to the machine, now we will classify who is tiger, who is elephant, and who is boy. Okay, so let's start our project. So you have to open your machine learning for the kids. Now we will just click on try it now. Over here, we need to create project. So project name, we can write anything. Suppose I want to write image classification. Okay. Then recognition type. Recognition type means what? Suppose we can put any text, we can put any images, numbers, or sounds. It means like for your machine, which type of data you will provide. Okay. So for my machine, I want to provide the images. Now you need to just click on the create button. Okay. After that, we have to just click on this image classification. Over here, we will get three things. So first we need to train our model. Train in the sense we have to give the training. Okay. Suppose if we want to create any machine, so for that machine, first we need to give the training. Okay. So for that, we will click on the train. After that, over here we need to just click on add new label. So I want to add three label. First one is my, what is my first label? Tiger. My second label is elephant, and my third label is I want to add boy. Okay, so now see we have a three label here: tiger, elephant and boy. After that, now we will provide some images here. So now how we will provide the image? So for providing the image, we have to open one another Chrome, okay, or any web browser. Suppose I want to give minimization here, and you can first increase this, okay, like so. Here we have a three label. I will minimize this one also, like this. Now, so as you can see, now we have a two tab, okay. So what we have to do now? First, we will search for tiger. We have to add some images which is related to our tiger. Okay, so how we will do that? Here we will search for tiger. Press the enter button. You will get lots of images. So suppose this is the tiger. So we have to just drag and drop that. After that, we have this image as a tiger. So we have to add at least 7 to 8 images. Okay, this one is also a tiger image. After that, see, this is my fourth image. Tiger, tiger, so tiger. So you can add any number of images here. So we did for tiger. Now we have to search for elephant. So now you have to just drag and drop the elephant image here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scroll down, you will get more images. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can give any number of images. Okay, 9. Now I want to provide the image for the boy. So we can search boy, press the enter button. You will get some images. So we can put all these images here. Third, wait. Third, Scroll down, you will get more images. Suppose this one is the fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh. Even if you are boy, you can add your images also. Or what girl can do, they can add the label as a girl, okay? And you can add your images. After that, see, we added the image about tiger, elephant, and boy. Now we have to back to our project. Now what is our second step? We have to test this model, because see, we trained our model. Now what is our next step? We need to test this model, okay? So see what we did now. We collected 8 examples of tiger, 9 examples of elephant, and 9 examples of boy, okay? Now we need to just click on train new machine learning model. After that, we have to again back to our project, and then we will click on make. Make in the sense we have to develop this project now, okay? So in this step, it will take around 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, see. So this model is available. We created this model, right? Now again, we need to just back to our project. We have to click on make. So once you will click on make, you will get 3 options here. So this project you want to open in Python or App Inventor or Scratch 3. So we want to open this in a Scratch 3, and you need to just click on open in Scratch 3. After that, we have to first delete this cat. Okay. Then we want to draw some backdrop. So what you can do, if you will take your mouse here, you will get choose a backdrop, then paint option, or even you can upload any backdrop. For our case, we want to paint this backdrop. Okay. Now, what design you want? Suppose I want to draw one rectangle here. So you have to just drag and drop like this. Perfect. So I want to take another color. You can take your favorite color, okay? Now we can draw one more rectangle here. That's perfect. Now I want to draw one more here. So after that, we have to take one another color now. This is my third color. Now we can draw one more here. So you have to just drag and drop like this. So see, now we have 3 colors, right? Now we have to just write, take your text. So where is the text? This T symbol here. I want to write tiger. We can change the color also. After that, we can take this here. Second one is elephant. Okay. So we can just take the position wherever you want, you can add that. And what is the third one? Boy. So we can add boy like here. So say we did our design part, right? Now we have to add some sprite. So we can select choose a sprite. Okay. So over here, so let's see whether we have an elephant or not. See, we have. So you can just take one elephant. After that, in this elephant, we need to add some costumes. So choose a costume. Here we have to search for tiger. So we don't have the tiger, okay? So we have to download the tiger. Now we will search for boy, okay? So now what you can do, you can first download the tiger image and boy image. So go to the images, quickly download one or two image. So I want to download this one. Save image as, save, perfect. Save, we want to download for boy. So suppose I want to download this. Perfect. Now we have to again come back to our project. Just go back. So here we have to click on upload. Okay, so this is our upload costume button. Click on that. You have to just go to your download option. So from here, select all files. So you will get boy. We have a boy now. We can just minimize the size of the boy. Suppose 40. That's perfect. Upload costume. Over here, we want to select our next costume, which is tiger. That's great. Now wait. Okay, so see, this file type is not supporting here. Okay, so what we have to do, we need to again search for the tiger, and we have to download the jpg file. Okay, suppose save image as, you have to check. See, this is the jpg file. That's perfect. Again, we have to upload costume. Oh, this is not a jpg. So we see, you will get. So after that, we have to start the coding part. So how we will start the coding part? When flag is clicked. So always we have to start from the event. When flag is clicked, so basically we want to go to one position which is our middle position. Suppose I want to go to here. So what is minus 220? So we can write minus 2 and here minus 20. Okay. After that, we have to repeat this. So we need to just go to the control, take a repeat. Over here, we have to just take conditions. So we have to recognize three images. So we have to take three conditions. Like we have tiger, elephant, and boy. So we need to take three condition. If over here we have to just classify like a which is that image. Okay, so if your image is tiger, so where you have to go, just go to your machine learning. Over here we will take if this recognize image. Okay, means if this recognize image, instead of image we need to take our costume image. Okay, if this image is instead of 50, we need to take tiger. Okay, so we have to just duplicate this. You can duplicate the entire thing, so we can add that here, and again we can duplicate. You have to just click on this screen, duplicate. You can add that here. Okay, so if instead of tiger you have to take elephant and boy, remove this tiger from here, we need to take a boy. Okay, so if our costume image is tiger, so we have to go to this position. What is this position? So you need to just go to the motion, and here we have to go to this position. Same if that is elephant, so we have to go to that block, and we need to take this here. So you will get that position. Okay. After that, we need to broadcast one message. Okay. So where we will get that broadcast? Inside our event, we have this broadcast. So we will broadcast one message because see, every time we have to take a different costume, right? So for that, we will broadcast this. After that, once we will receive that message, we have to just take our next costume. So we need to just go to the backdrop. We will take next costume. Okay. Now see if I will run. Wait, wait. So now see. So this is the tiger. That's why you will get a tiger position. See. Okay. So how we will do for the elephant? That is our second question. How we will do for the elephant. So every time we have to show this. Okay. So we need to take show. Here also we have to take show. Show means we want to show our block, right? See if I will run, you will get tiger. So here we broadcast that message. So now we have to receive this message. When I receive message 1, so we want to change a costume. See, now if we want, we can take a wait because see, we can take a wait for 1 second. After 1 second, or else you can take your wait inside your if condition. See, it is recognizing perfectly, right? Good. So in this way, we can classify our images. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So thank you so much.